Cider, 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 cider. Oh, Prosecco. So that was just one. Come on. Right everyone, clap your hands to our first time chasers. SS Sunway, no, Raft number 31. Sorry, that was just my hearing aid doing that there. Well done, lads. Well done, Jason. Right, Raft number 31. Unfortunately, you're just 5 minutes off the Raft run record in finishing. But I'll tell you what, well done, Raft number 31. Don't forget, 5 o'clock presentation. Well done. As you can see, everyone, if you look up into the sky over the bowling green, okay, please smile. This is all been videoed, and thanks to the company for providing this. We do have the bowling green for the drone to land, but they will be videoing, so please be nice to each other and don't be saying anything or picking anything. Okay, as you can see, look, it's coming down, it will recharge, then it will come back up. Well done, Raft 31. Our next raft coming in, it's Raft. Oh well, I can say this raft has been coming to the raft run for at least 8-9 years. It's raft number 20, Windy Millers, and I can tell you they will be very disappointed that they're not winners. But what? They do very well, and they support the raft run, and they make lots of money for their own chosen charity. 5 o'clock presentation. Was it good over there, hen? Oh! You alright? Yeah? Hi, darling. Oh, what was that? Right, come on. Our third raft coming in. PG Cabs, raft number 32. Come on. Come on, I hope you're a bit quicker with your taxis. Come on, lads. Over there. Hey, Judy, Jean. Possibly will have raised about £5,000 on chosen charity, which is fantastic. So, well done. Come on, PG. Come on, don't give up now. Come on, there's a hire waiting for you. Go! Come on! 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, come on, get it together, lads. 1, 2, 1, 2. A bit better than that. Ian died 3. Raft 32, well done. Jokenver, thank you. Well done. The next time I phone up for a taxi, they're going to go, you wee Scottish so-and-so. Well done, lads. Jokenver, thank you. Look at, hey, you can tell the owner, look, sitting in the middle. Eh? Eh? Who ate the pork pies? Scotty, I'll see you later, mate. So once again everyone, please do support. Please do support our coffee stall, coffee bar. We do have our hog roasts. We do have our cancer research, and everyone we should be supporting. And of course we've got the WI, and of course we've got the where you push that thing to the toilet. Okay, again another the WI as well. And then for all you people who are posh, we have the Prosecco. In Scotland we say cider. Okay, so please support. Keep going lads, keep going, bring your way around to the slipway. And of course, as you can see, Raft number 7 is making its way round by the tugboats. Well done, come on now Raft 7, let's finish it off. Now look at this raft coming in now, look at that. Yeah. So as we can see on the left hand side, we've got raft number 7, Team Travis coming in. Our contact details is D.W.Jones. For me, it's one of the new teams that's come into the raft run this year. And just a little bit of information about the raft run, everyone. All of this is all about fundraising for local charities, good causes. It's about team building as a company, and it's about getting together and building a raft and taking part, but making money for a chosen charity that might mean a lot to you as an individual or as a group. Very important that we hope that each raft will estimate about £1,000 at least in taking part. If you take 33 rafts and the money that is actually raised, it's actually fantastic. And this is 16 years that we've been doing this event, so without everyone's help and support, well done raft number 7, Team Travis, Jokenvar, well done, thank you. And as you can see, we are Macmillan Cancer Support, well done. Take us way over to the raft run and enjoy your pint of beer, you deserve it. Raft number 22 is coming in now, as you can see. Fancy dress, and of course we do have that trophy for fancy dress. Now again, as you look at the next raft, there's something happening there. Oops. Now as you can see, look at the 3 rafts here. And been over the Bangor side, the raft in front here is actually struggling just to get across for these 3. So we've got raft 15. Raft 22 is just coming round by the tugboat now. That is the Thursday girls. Now I don't need to know anything about what happens on a Thursday, but whatever they're doing, it's certainly working. Keep work. What's happening here? Is that allowed? Who cares? It's all about fun. Come on, keep going, keep going. You're almost there. Get that water pump on. Come on. Keep pumping. Oh, keep going. Come on, you're not finished yet, I say so. Keep going. The Stokey Blokes rejects. Well done, Stokey Blokes. Nice to see you back again this year. Make your way over to the slipway if you don't mind. Come on, keep going. So keep going, lads, keep going to the slipway. The quicker you get your raft out, the quicker you can have that cup of tea. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh! Back, back! You'll need to work on that, lads, for next year. Well done! Well done. It's all about fun, and thank you, well done. As you can see, look at these two rafts, Raft 18 and Raft 19. Both Rebel Rejects and Raft 19 Anglesey Rebels. Bit of fun here. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? You're not finished yet. Who's going to win? Oh, Raft, oh, it's very close. It's very close. Oh. Is it the black one or is it the blue one? Is it the black? And it's Raft number 18. Well done. Followed by. Well done. You think there's a bit of contest there? Now, as you can see, the raft going straight down the Straits. I think they're heading for the Gazelle. Well done, Rebels, raft number 18. Well done. Anglesey Rebels, raft number 19. Well done. Raft 19, come on then. Garth. Now, as you can see how easy it is, if you can see the raft drifting towards well done, raft number 19, Anglesey Rebels. Come on, you need to go home and get the gun. Well done, ladies, well done, Anglesey Rebels. Come on, make your way in, straight into the... Now, ladies and gents, if you can just look to the left, you can see actually one of the rafts heading down towards the Bangor Pier. This is how easy that it is for the rafts just to drift off, and within a matter of 1-2 minutes. But of course, as you can see, our safety boats are there, and they do a fantastic job monitoring each raft and the safety of the rafts. Well done, raft number 14. Come on, keep going, keep going! I want to boogie boogie. I want to... Oh, forget it then. Well done. And then of course we've now getting raft number 5. Look at raft number 5. Look at the work it's put into that to get that buoyancy. Raft number 5 stands out. Now, please look at the hairstyle. I think they'd been out late last night. So everyone, again, raft number 5. Keep going, come on, just finish it off. Well done, raft number 5. Jokenver, thank you. We've got a bit of a battle here. Raft 12, raft 21, and of course Captain Pugwash. Right, look at that, now look at that distraction with that hose. Is that a disqualification? Now, as you can see, there's actually 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There's actually 15 people on this raft, and I do believe that's Murphy's. Well done. Oh, here it goes. Watch now, everyone. Just be careful. Watch this. Oh, it's off. Come on, you're not finished. Well done, Murphys. Raft number 11, the Murphy mob. So again, well done. Again, the Murphy mob have been supporting the raft run for many years. Raft number 12, Bright Sparks. Raft 21, Captain Logan. Well done. Well done. What's happening here? The Murphys, they're struggling. Yeah. Look at the captain there in the white. Wouldn't you just love to go, you know what, get in that water, wouldn't you? Well done. Come on, Raft 21, keep going, you're almost there. Well done. Please don't forget our presentation at 5 o'clock. Just by the Liverpool Arms, Stroke, Auckland's and Buckley, and of course Dillon's as well. 5 o'clock we'll have a presentation. Yeah, raft number 17 coming through. As you can see, these rafts, look behind. Raft 17, look behind you, keep going. Keep going. Raft 17, Penryn and Argonauts. Yeah, that'll do for me, Argonauts. James Deacon, raft number 17. But as you can see, on the inside, coming up close, winning by a neck. Raft 23 is coming up, close to 17. The Skull plus Kevde. Please, I don't mean to offend anyone. Yeah. Raft 23, Raft 17. It's getting close. It's getting close. Could be a tie finish here. Come on, keep going, 17, look to your left. Come on, keep going. Raft 17, come on, you're almost there. Come on now. Come on, Raft 23, don't give up, look. Raft 17, come on, keep going. Run. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done, Raft 17. Well done. Uh-oh, what's happened here? Look at that, eh? Now, I'm looking here. Again, everyone, well done to the Menai Bridge Scouts here. As you can see, all the money that the Scouts make takes the young people in their Scouts away on educational trips throughout Europe. Well done, Raft 27, the Menai Explorers. Steve, is that the best you can do? Again, if I can just mention Raft 27, just the efforts for insurance purposes for the young scouts there, it's not easy and a lot of work has to go in for the insurance purposes.
There should we go.
Now, Raft 61.
Yeah, that's just something you're making. What's that thing called?
Okay, the next raft now finishing off, as you can see, is air ambulance. So again, a big round of applause. All money raised for them, of course, goes back towards the air ambulance. So well done for taking part. And it's nice to see, it's easy for everyone to put the hand out and look for donations, but it's nice to see that people are putting a raft together and making lots of money for the charity. Come on, air ambulance, you're not finished yet, keep going. Come on, over to the slipway. As you can see on the right hand side, we do have one or two rafts that, unfortunate, just do need our assistance. But most importantly, everyone, what is important, that our safety boats are doing the job that they're there for, and that is making sure that everyone remains safe at all times. So again, the hard work that the safety boats do, the experience of the Jeff and his team on the water, again, we could not do these events. Well done. So well done to the safety boats. As you, we've got a bit of a race here. 24. Come on, who's winning? Come on. Oh. Garth, I'm waiting you. A draw. Come on, keep going! You're not finished yet! Come on! So again, you can see, I do believe that's Raft 25, is that correct? Rona's Rainbow, and obviously we can see a lovely picture of a young lady there on that raft. And then of course, Raft 24, Disney Climber, well done. Raft number 8 on the edge. I wish you'd told me that at 8 o'clock this morning. Well done to the 3 rafts. Raft 25, Raft 24, and of course Raft number 8 on the edge.
That one that we went on holiday.
So everyone, please don't forget, we do have the hog roast please support the WI, the Cancer Research, and of course the Prosecco and Frog in the Bog. Come on now, all raising money for good causes. Oh Gene, you're right. Where's that boy of yours near me now? Is he going to Harrogate? Good. What shit did he do? Remember, just... Well done. So as you can see, our safety boats are actually now starting to just make sure the tide will be changing very soon. So it's important that we do have all the rafts through the two bridges before the tide actually changes. So you can see out by the Bangor side we have raft number 29, Turtle and Seine. Oh, if anyone would just believe, it's the first one I've had today. Oh, heaven. Oh. Okay, so you can see the raft is now. So raft 29, Turtle and Seine, is making its way over towards the tugboat here. Please don't forget, at 5 o'clock we do have Britain's Got Talent along with the presentation, and we are looking for some singers, jugglers, so please come along and do your little bit.
I don't know who won it though. Oh, the thing was the guy who plays piano. The guy with the big black.
Okay, I'll just check now with okay. Garth, how many do we have to come in yet? Is that the last one? Yeah, they all come in. Everyone, yeah, everyone took part. There was a few that withdrew just at the start. That was through different commitments. But everyone that was in the water is all in. So as you can see, the last raft coming in. This will be our last raft. And everyone, you know, we had 33 rafts who took part, and the most important thing is that the 33 rafts, those rafts who took part, have all come in and they've all come off the water, and that is paramount in what we do. Yes, it's all about fundraising, yes, it is about making money, but the most important thing is the safety of those in the water. And a big thank you on behalf of the Raft Run to our safety boats for the hard work that they do, using their experience, their craft and their own expenses, and making sure that this is a fun, enjoyable afternoon here in Menai Bridge. But most importantly, making money. So as you can see now, just with the winds building up, the raft out in the water there, raft 29, look how... Ladies and gents, when we get to the finish point, please let's give them the biggest round of applause for finish. There's my microphone, it's just the reception from the the Wi-Fi. Come on, Raft 29. Come on, keep going.
Can you see her? No, you can't. Excited. A white what?
Come on.
So she could be in the front or she could be the
Come on, Turtle Insane.
third at the back here, maybe. That's a cycling.
Ladies and gents, just before the Raft 29 finish, please join us at 5 o'clock by the Liverpool Arms for the presentation. Ladies and gents, everyone together, everyone, please, let's put our hands together for Raft 29. Well done, Quarateg. Well done, Raft 29. Fantastic, well done. Keep going, bring your way in, come into the slipway, or you're going to end up at Plasmouth. Yeah, bring yourselves over to the slipway now, Raft 29. So, again, once again, ladies and gents, please put your hands together for Raft 29. Come on! Well done there. Is that Steve in the water there, is it? Look. How are you? Yeah, you can. So again, ladies and gents, as you can see, for the last raft, we still have the safety boats there doing what they're there to do, and that is to make sure the safety of everyone in the water. So a big thank you to Jeff and all the crews on the safety boats for giving up their time, experience and their expense for supporting the raft run. Without their help, we could not have this event. So, Jochen Val, much appreciated and well done.